Crash Boat to kick things off with misery business.
Look at that. Joe Wade and Alan Kay, they're just completely apathetic towards Crash Bandicoot and how jovial he is.
Apathetic's a good word for you, Isaiah. I'm impressed. I'm assuming you took the dictionary on the way up.
I am learned.
Maybe not completely learned. Anyway, back in the ring. As we said, Crash Boat to kick things off here. Joe Wade making waves as well up in the north. And straight away, before any action can commence, Jet Marshall tagging himself in. That's an interesting dynamic that you'll see plenty of, no doubt, during this match.
Gonna need eyes in the back of your head in this match. Lots of bodies, lots of ways to tag. Okay.
You are going to see alliances form here as well. That's going to be an interesting dynamic. Joe Wade straight away going on the offense. Those quick strikes, very well adapted to the martial arts side of things. Marshall, beautiful drop kick into the corner, rolls over, and a kick to the spine. And look at the speed, basement drop kick, fires up the crowd, fires up himself, and what a way to kick things off here at TGW.
Breakneck speed there from Jet Marshall.
Talk about speed, Leon Slater now in the ring. Taking all that offense.
Oh, relentless.
Joe Wade. Goes for a cover, hooks the leg. And a kick out at 1.5. That's our first pin of the evening.
See
Listen
now
to the crowd.
Pins like that, I'm sure Alan Kay's going to want to get in and break that up, but also, you know, Crash Boat are going to have to get in if they have to.
Oh, and Alan Kay saw that one coming, had that one scouted, gets off the apron. And Wade trying to fight his way back in. Oh, big forearm to Leon Slater, planted him in the mat, and an enziguri of sorts to Jet Marshall. Well, I mean, look. We wanted to make a statement this evening at TGW. Uranagi slam kick and a...
Oh, tandem.
Well, they're well versed. Kick out two. Very close call already. And we did say this one would be fast paced.
Yeah, but look now. Just look at how Alan Kay is just slowly bringing Jet Marshall to his feet.
Drop kick from Marshall, looking to find an opening, separate some space, and there's a tag. Oh, hangs him up on the ropes. Oh, that's innovative.
It is.
Cade, though. What's he looking for here? Head scissor takedown with some assistance from his tag partner.
Well, come on, ref. He's got to have to get something, get a grip on this game. Oof.
Referee Scott Bell in there is going to have his hands full. Oh, Leon Slater taken out. Springboard dropkick. Crash Boat on top. Looking to fly through the skies of Leeds.
Oh, yeah. Come on, ref. Get a grip on this.
I mean, look, you wanted eyes in the back of your head. Scott Bell does not have eyes in the back of his head. Oh, Jet Marshall, what's he looking to do here? Looking to fly himself. Asking the crowd if they want to see it. They definitely do. Suicide dive takes out everyone on the outside. I mean, how do you describe this match in one word?
Chaotic, Simon.
Panda.
Oh gosh, wait a minute.
That's Ace Matthews.
Oh, Ace. Who's coming? Oh, let him. I mean, he's protesting because he's not booked on this show. We've had to get security involved here. That's a bit unfair. Let the man exercise the right to protest.
How can you say it's unfair? He's not booked legally. He cannot do that. And our ring crew here carrying him out.
Let him exercise the right to protest. We all have the right to protest, and he should.
That may be so, but this is an entertainment-based... Look, this is a wrestling show. He cannot just turn up like that and get involved in the ring. Thank God that that's been dealt with. But back in the ring, the action is as hot as you can expect. Leon Slater, Jet Marshall on top. Leon Slater on the top rope. Oh! Cut short.
Oh, precarious position here now for Leon Slater.
where you want to be. Leon Slater taken out. Jet Marshall taken out as well. Crash Boater truly making their mark this evening. Slater doing his best to fight off the advances here of Crash Boat.
Oh, they're coming right at the right time, Misery Business.
Misery Business, what have they got planned here? No, no. Oh! Well, everyone's out. Everyone's down.
Leon Slater certainly getting the worst of that. And Jet Marshall.
Explosive, chaotic, it's pandemonium at its best. This is true grit wrestling. Now the referee, Scott Bell, will, I was going to say start his count, but there is some movement there, some fighting, some back and forth. Exchanging of blows from 6 men.
Referee can't keep tabs on this.
I think this just comes down to referee discretion at this point. Slater with a hard hit there, returned. Oh, Wade connecting, now taken down. Jet Marshall with a running knee. This is just back and forth. Chaotic action. Oh, wow. Huge lariat there, taking down Jet Marshall.
Oh. Look at the strength from Alan Kay, something that I think he possesses more of in this match.
Got that power advantage over everyone else in this match for sure. These fights taking their way on the outside, but in the ring is where the action is now with Jet Marshall and Cade. Now Slater tagged in. Leon Slater looking to do some damage.
Big leg lariat to the back of the neck there.
Oh, beautiful assisted, almost sent on. Standing shooting star, press into a couple hooks to the leg too, and almost a victory for Slater and Jet Marshall there.
Alan Kay taking a real flurry of offense there. He will be miserable after that.
Can't blame him. The offense has been absolutely relentless. The action has been stacked from start to finish, and it hasn't finished yet. Leon Slater, Jet Marshall again working in tandem. And look on the corner of your screens. Oh, beautiful missile drop kick, taking down Marshall and Slater. Keep up to go with it. Crash Boat again in their hometown and in rhythm. Well, looks like we're going to see some double team action. Oh, beautiful, using the momentum of Leon Slater's body. Wait, off you again.
Oh, Joe Wade.
Flying through the skies, huge stomp to the back to break that pin.
There is a lot at stake here, Simon, really. The winners of this match surely going to establish themselves in this ever-growing tag division.
Well, there is a big statement to be made, and that is why everyone is putting their bodies on the line. Wade again coming out the gates hot in this match. Oh, there is the Bandy Orton.
The what, sorry?
The Bandy, oh come on, say it with me. The Bandy Orton.
No, I will not. Oh! Ah! Huge! Who gives a damn? And that's it!
There's your victory! Well, they may be miserable, but they got the job done this evening. Alan Cade and Joe Wade, Misery Business.